Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on voice chat on Roblox. Yes, you can actually talk in Roblox now and it's so easy to set up. So in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how you can turn on voice chats in Roblox so you can vibe, strategize and slay the server using just your voice. So what you need to do in here, just click on more in the left menu in here, go to the settings and then go to your account info. So in the account info, you need to do your phone number and email address. So fill in that and set your birthday. Make sure that you are already in minimum age 13. And then just go to the privacy and content maturity in here. Go to the communications option. And you'll see the voice chats options in here, and then you can just make sure that it's blue like this. So if it's gray, you can just toggle it on until it turns to blue, then click on enable, and just like that you should have your voice chat in the Roblox now. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment and click on the thanks. Bye.